Millionaire. It's a title that plenty of us would love to have. But, is that actually feasible? Despite blowing millions, the process to becoming a millionaire has been consistent over the years. If you follow these 8 priceless pieces of advice, I can guarantee you that eventually you will become a millionaire. Here's to making this happen this year. 1. Develop a written financial plan. One of the main reasons why someone can never become a millionaire is because they haven't written a financial plan. Developing a financial plan forces you to take action, instead of just talk. It also guides you in making the right decisions in order to achieve all of your dreams and goals. 2. Focus on increasing your income. In today's economic environment, you cannot save your way to millionaire status, writes Grant Cardone, who went from being broke and in debt at the age of 21 to becoming a self-made millionaire by 30. The first step is to focus on increasing your income in increments and repeating that. 3. Take advantage of Uncle Sam's generosity. The best way I know to become a millionaire is to put the power of compound interest on your side. By giving your money more time to compound and keeping your rate of return as high as possible, you greatly increase your chances of reaching a 7-figure net worth, writes Brian Froely on The Motley Fool. If you want to become a millionaire, you need all the help you can get. Making sure your investment fees and tax bill are as low as possible will go a long way toward helping you achieve your goal. 4. Increase your streams of income. After studying millionaires for 5 years, author Thomas Corley discovered that 65% of self-made millionaires had 3 streams, 45% had 4 streams, and 29% had 5 or more streams. This could include starting a side business, working part-time, investments, and renting everything from your home to your car to household items. 5. Automate your savings. If you want to become a millionaire, then you absolutely need to get into the habit of saving by contributing to your 401k, Roth or traditional IRA, and an emergency fund that's been placed in a money market. However, the way to make this is by automating your savings. This will automatically withdraw a percentage of your salary and place it into your contributions without you ever seeing it. It's suggested that you should put 10% towards investments and 5% towards savings. 6. Upgrade your skills and knowledge. Read at least 30 minutes a day, listen to relevant podcasts while driving and seek out mentors vigorously, writes Tucker Hughes, who became a millionaire at just the age of 22. You don't just need to be a master in your field, you need to be a well-rounded genius capable of talking about any subject, whether it is financial, political or sports related. Consume knowledge like air and put your pursuit of learning above all else. 7. Live below your means and lay off the credit. It's widely known that the wealthiest people in the world are frugal. They don't spend excessively on designer and luxury items. They use coupons. And, they're known for living below their means by purchasing modest homes and vehicles. 8. Associate with millionaires. In most cases, your net worth mirrors the level of your closest friends, writes Steve Siebold for Business Insider. This isn't exactly a new philosophy. It's been around ever since Andrew Carnegie embraced the mastermind principle.